This is a video tutorial for the general use of the Tinius-Olson impact tester at Utah State University. The impact tester calculates the material toughness by measuring energy loss by a swinging pendulum. Start by preparing your sample. Samples must be a square prism and cannot exceed 4.5 inches in length. The width of the base can vary, but shall not exceed 0.75 inches in width. One face of your square prism should have a notch cut into it. Measure and record the actual width of your sample. Next, we will calibrate the impact tester. Power on the equipment using the switch located at the back of the controls panel. Use the number pad and enter keys to select calibration. Make sure the pendulum path is clear of hands, loose clothing, and all other objects before continuing. Follow the steps on the screen to complete the calibration, remembering to stay clear of the pendulum path. Next, we will test our sample. Select Test on the controls panel. Input your recorded sample width value. Latch the pendulum and place your sample in the test position with the notch facing the right. Tighten the bolt using a socket wrench. Check that the test sample is the only thing in the pendulum's path before continuing. Once your test sample is secured, click Enter on the control panel screen. The tester is now ready to collect your data. Release the pendulum using the knob at the top of the tester. Carefully catch the pendulum and return it to the rest position. The control panel will ask if your sample broke completely, partially, or if it remains unbroken. Select the option that best describes your sample break. The following screen will display the break energy for your sample on the top line. Clean up the station by removing your broken sample, collecting the broken piece, and placing both in the proper disposal bin. Please reach out to a student lab tutor if you have any further questions.